Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Lexus GX 550 in Shine Black is a bold statement of luxury and power, blending classic off-road capability with a completely modern design. As the camera glides over its sculpted body, the deep gloss of the Shine Black finish catches every ray of light, emphasizing the muscular lines and aggressive stance of this reimagined SUV. Lexus has given the GX a total redesign, and it shows from the ground up. Sitting on a new GA-F platform, this SUV brings a more refined and composed ride both on road and off. Its new silhouette is boxier, stronger, and more upright, giving it a presence that commands attention without saying a word. Up front, the redesigned grille is more integrated into the body, with a sleek mesh pattern and subtle chrome accents. Flanking it are triple-beam LED headlamps with a signature L-shaped DRL that immediately marks this vehicle as a Lexus. The blacked-out trim, dark alloy wheels, and matte-finished roof rails take the Shine Black edition to another level of stealth luxury. Under the hood, the GX 550 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine pushing out 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. That's a big upgrade from the outgoing V8, delivering not only more power but also better fuel efficiency. Whether you're climbing a rugged mountain trail or cruising on the highway, the GX delivers a smooth, commanding ride. Full-time four-wheel drive comes standard, and with features like crawl control, multi-terrain select, and an electronic locking rear differential, the GX 550 is built to tackle real off-road challenges, not just look the part. Inside, Lexus has taken luxury to the next level. The cabin is a perfect blend of modern technology and premium craftsmanship. Soft touch materials, open-pore wood, and quilted leather seats wrap you in comfort while still feeling robust enough for an adventure. The Shine Black model includes exclusive dark-themed interior accents, from the steering wheel trim to the contrast stitching. The 14-inch touchscreen display dominates the center console, offering a crisp and intuitive interface for Lexus' latest infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a high-end Mark Levinson sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. The digital gauge cluster and available head-up display keep your focus on the road ahead, while multiple USB-C ports and a wireless charger ensure all your devices stay powered up. Space is no issue, with 3 rows of seating and flexible cargo configurations. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend getaway or loading up the family for a road trip, the GX 550 is designed to handle it all. And thanks to advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera with off-road view, you'll always feel confident behind the wheel. The GX doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them in every way. From its striking exterior in Shine Black to its powerful performance and thoughtfully designed interior, this SUV is a perfect balance of rugged capability and refined luxury. It's clear that Lexus isn't just building an SUV here, they're creating an experience. One that begins the moment you press the start button and hear the engine roar to life. Whether you're navigating city streets or forging your own path through the wilderness, the 2025 Lexus GX 550 in Shine Black is ready for whatever comes next. This is the SUV for those who expect more, demand better, and refuse to compromise. The road is calling, and the GX 550 is more than ready to answer. We'll see you next video.